Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And so for today, basically I wanted to do a comparison between the Pixel 3 and the Pixel 3a and kind of do a demonstration to show you guys the differences between the two when it comes to its processing capabilities. So the Pixel 3 has the Snapdragon 845 and the Pixel 3a has a Snapdragon 670, and I wanted to showcase that the Pixel 3a, while it may not be precisely at the same processing speed, it does do fairly well. So we're going to start opening some applications to kind of test that out here for you guys. So we'll start off with Twitter. As you guys can see, the Pixel 3 did load Twitter a little bit faster, but that's the point that I'm doing this for, is to show you guys that even though the Pixel 3a has a Snapdragon 670, its processing, like the speed of it processing opening applications and stuff like that, is not a drastic difference. Okay, marginally, very small margin difference in processing power, but not dramatically where like one's going to open in like a millisecond, the other one's going to take 2 minutes to load. I mean, the Pixel 3a does a very good job keeping up with the Pixel 3. You'll see that some of the applications here are, you know, they're loading times and whatnot. So again, another one right there, it wasn't that far behind. And so we'll choose another application here. Let's see, what are we gonna do? We'll Google Play Movies. And you can see the Pixel 3a started loading, but then it took a little longer. But again, not a drastic difference. So nothing that's like, you know, like nails on a chalkboard type irritation. Music loaded faster than the Pixel 3. So again, when people ask that question, like, what is the difference between the 3a and the 3 when it comes to user experience and, you know, processing performance, there's not a huge difference, but there is differences. So as you guys can see, there are some of the differences. But again, I will reiterate this, it is not a super drastic difference. So we'll continue on. Let's see what we're gonna load here. Maps. See? Not that far behind. Now, of course, there's going to be other things like very intense stuff that the Pixel 3 will do faster than the Pixel 3a, obviously. But again, when people are like, is it like a major difference between them? Am I going to be, you know, missing out on anything? Truth be told, since I own both these phones, no, you're not really missing anything drastically different other than the build quality and some certain features like water resistance, wireless charging, those types of things. But when it just comes down to an all-out user experience and performance, you're not going to be drastically missing anything. Slightly, marginally, a little slower at some things, but nothing that's really going to be a huge significant difference. So that is the whole entire point why I wanted to make this video for you guys, get you guys updated on that. Also, just to basically show you guys that, you know, if you're interested in the Pixel 3a, it is something that, you know, fits your budget needs, but you still want to rock something that is basically Pixel, then the Pixel 3a definitely is going to be something that you really want to take a look at compared to the Pixel 3. This is probably one of the things that I guess I praise Google on, is making a mid-ranger based off its flagship, but not really making it well known that it's a handicap or that, you know, you spent way less on the Pixel 3a from the Pixel 3. So that's mainly the whole point of this, to really showcase that. And yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. Smash the like button if you guys enjoyed today's video. If you just found my channel and you hit that subscribe button, thank you so much for doing so. Also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when I upload another video as well. Then also check out my reaction to the Made by Google event. I live streamed that earlier today, so it's pretty interesting. But that's it for right now, guys. Again, thanks for watching this video, and as always, aloha.